We are gonna play Candy's World, the new update. We have a special guest. You can tell he's by his username. He's my bestie. Yes, you can talk now.
Okay, what up, guys?
Okay, now I'm gonna cut. We are in floor 4. We are not gonna die. I'm a distractor and an extractor. They are coming. Don't worry.
I use my food.
Great. Bubasha! I don't know where the
Hey,
other
how
two
do I
stood.
do it? I used it.
Oh, it. Bro, stop!
What?
I almost got it! Bro, I'm gonna grief you, okay?
How do I do this?
Oh my.
I'm gonna leave
Is it one? Then use your compass and it will increase your skill check.
I already did it.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no. We need to cut the video right here. Cut the video! Cut the video, editor!